Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a new 2021 Arctic Fox 27.5L. What you get in this particular model is a true under 30-foot fifth wheel in a full profile. And when I talk about full profile, I mean being able to stand up in the bedroom, having the height above the slide when you're standing underneath the slide out inside. Large propane tanks, all the features you would get in a big fifth wheel, but in a small fifth wheel. Very well insulated, good true all-season, probably one of the best true all-season fifth wheels made in its price range with the way that the Northwood builds their own frame. They build it from the ground up, so they're not an assembler, they're a true builder. Okay, here we are inside the 2021 Arctic Fox 27.5L. And as I talked about, full profile, tall ceilings, tall slide-out ceilings, plenty of room in the bedroom as when we get up there we'll be able to show you. But as we look in this one, it's a rear kitchen model with windows on all sides, so you still get a rear kitchen model with plenty of outside view. Lots of cabinetry, solid wood cabinet doors, solid surface countertops, large double deep stainless steel sink that you would find at home, nice big oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection, large refrigerator, pull-out pantry, all the workings that you would get in a full-size fifth wheel, but again in a small package. Freestanding table and chairs. This one has the theater seating straight across from the TV, so easy view that way. Overhead ceiling fan, overhead fantastic fan, along with the air conditioner and the skylight with the sunshade inside. The Arctic Fox is going to have standard dual pane windows, large capacity tanks, large LP tanks, and large axles for the size of the trailer that it's needed, as well as having the right rated tires for a fifth wheel of its size. So, you know, they've done the homework for us. We're very proud to have the product here at Guarantee RV Center. When you look into the bathroom area, plenty of room, nice pass-through in this floor model, a wardrobe slide-out, full-size queen bed with pillow-top mattress, and storage space throughout. You also have USB 110 and 12-volt plug-ins on both sides of the bed. And when we talk about construction of this product, they're using plywood instead of particle wood. They're using marine-grade plywood in the roof. Solid slide walls. When you look at the side walls of the slides, is a true four-season fifth wheel, as well as true four-season slide-outs in the fifth wheel. So overall, you're getting a true fifth wheel that is a nice all-weather package fifth wheel, and compared to what else is out there in the same price range. So if you have any questions in our Arctic Fox inventory, whether it be a fifth wheel, camper, travel trailer, or anything that Northwood makes, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. And remember, I can't help you if you don't contact me. Thank you and have a great day.